Hey lads, TechScanning here. So while Xiaomi is said to be working on their top flagships, the Xiaomi 15 series, however, ahead of that, on the 26th of September, the brand will unveil its another powerful lineup, the Xiaomi 14T series. So a few days back, we received an official render of the handset revealing its newer design language. However, now, in what a pleasant development, a huge leak now shared a hands-on of both the Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. So the video briefly appeared on the social media platform TikTok before being taken down. However, a few screenshots of the video reveal that just like the early render, the upcoming handset will have a square-shaped camera island, which now looks more simplistic compared to the Xiaomi 13T series. As we can see, both the Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro will sport a triple camera setup alongside a flashlight and Leica branding. For the cameras, as per earlier reports, both devices will feature a 50MP main, 12MP ultra-wide and a 50MP telephoto. However, the Pro model will feature a slightly bigger 1/1.31 inches sensor size compared to the non-Pro model, which will have 1/1.56 inches. Talking about the rest of the back panel, the Xiaomi 14T Pro seems to have a curved gloss finish, while the standard Xiaomi 14T boasts a flat frame design with a frosted gloss finish. Now, unfortunately, we didn't get the front look of the handset, but for reference, the Xiaomi 13T series came with flat displays. So most likely, same will be the case with the Xiaomi 14T series. As per earlier reports, both Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro will sport a 6.67 inches AMOLED screen with 144Hz refresh rate and the 32MP selfie camera. Now, in terms of performance, going by earlier leaked Geekbench listings, the Xiaomi 14T will be powered by the Dimensity 8300 Ultra and the Pro model with the flagship chipset, the Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset. For the other specs, both handsets are said to be IP68 rated and will feature a 5000 mAh of battery. However, as released, the Pro model will offer a decent 50W wireless charging speed. So the Xiaomi 14T series is just around the corner, and what do you think about the lineup? Let me know down in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.